Okay, good evening. Welcome to
FunMath157.
FunMath157. This is an old AMC 8 problem. I think it was from 1995. And this gave you a little bit of trouble today, so I thought we'd go over it.
Yeah.
Okay. The question is, find the smallest integer larger than 2.5 plus 3 1/3 plus 4 1/4 plus 5 1/5. Okay, do you understand the question?
Yeah.
Alright. How did you approach this problem?
Well, we can do 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 5 is 10, plus 4 is 14.
Alright.
Plus, now we have to add up the fractions.
Okay.
Well, 60 is the LCM of all of these.
Alright, well, all of what? Why don't we write down what you're still adding up?
All of the denominators.
All of the fractions, okay. A half square plus a third plus a fourth plus a fifth. Okay, so 60 is the LCM, alright?
Well, it's 30 over 60 plus 20 over 60 plus 15 over 60 plus 12 over 60.
Alright, awesome.
Well, out of the tens, it's 30 plus 40, which is 70, plus 7. This is 77 over 60. So this is larger than 1.
Right.
So we get 15. So it's going to be, it'll be 16. That's the smallest integer larger than it.
Okay, great. So let's, so you did a lot of calculation, right? And then you made a mistake somewhere. I don't even look where it, but you thought the answer was 15. The answer is actually 16. And let's see if we can think about this one other way that may be a little bit less of a calculation. Maybe we can think about it with decimals. Okay? So just to do it a different way. I'm not saying this is better or worse. Just let's look at it a different way. So first we can start the same way. Do 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, which is 14. Plus, and we have to do a half plus a third plus a fourth plus a fifth. Okay?
It's not too good.
Alright, yeah, that's fine. It's 14 plus, now what's the decimal for a half?
0.5.
0.5. What's the decimal for a third?
0.333333333.
Okay, so let's just say 0.33 just for fun. Plus a fourth. What's the decimal for a fourth?
0.25.
0.25. And what's the decimal for a fifth?
0.2.
0.2. Okay, awesome. So we have 14 plus, this is approximately equal to a half plus a third plus a fourth plus a fifth. Okay, so this is 0.83.
Yeah.
103.
Yeah.
108.
Wait, it's yeah.
Well, let's see. Okay, let's try again. Let's add up the easy parts. 0.7 plus 0.25 is 0.95 plus 0.33. And the point is, this is bigger than 1.
So
right?
it is 16.
So this is 15 and some decimal. So the integer that's larger than this is, again, 16. So without even having to do the lowest common denominator, you can just kind of approximate these and see that it is, this sum is bigger than 1. So it doesn't just kick it up to 15. It kicks up the next largest integer, it goes up to 16. All right?
Yeah.
You understand?
Yep.
Okay, so one way is you could find the least common multiple and then add them up, or the lowest common denominator. The other way is just approximate and then see that this is bigger than 1. It's 2 different ways to do it.
Yeah.
All right? Okay, good job, Steve. Good job.